Here I'm getting ready to take the clothes out of the washer and put them in the dryer. Our dryer got two functions on the door. One's like this, then it opens this way, so I use that way so I can get the clothes out of the washer. And the door catches it and lets it fall down. And we don't use dryer sheets, we use these balls that go in the dryer instead of dryer sheets. So there's 3 of them. So then I get all the clothes out. Then I put the dryer, I goes an hour and I do medium heat. Now I go ahead and wash the towels. We use these just with towels.
I'm just stopping that until you're done so that they can hear you.
Then I put these in.
You're putting an awful lot in there.
That's not many. Then I put soap. I use this right here to hold it because then I push the button for the soap to go in there. So we bought this thing off of Amazon, I think, to catch it. So
You're talking about the little stand here?
yes. So we put a little bit of this stuff in there. It's fabric softener, not much. Then we go ahead and put the towels in. So I go ahead and use these towels too, but we got towels we put bleach in there, but these are just yellow ones, so I throw them in there. Now I push this all the way to towels, fabric softener, so I start that. So when it's done, I have to transform it to the dryer. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.